viewers and listeners of FM show. Welcome back to another story that has been hitting headlines regarding the president visit to the Mount Kenya region. As we all know, yesterday President William Samoei Ruto visited Meru, that is the region in the region of Mount Kenya. He visited Meru County yesterday. So in Meru, speaking of politics, there are two big names that you can never avoid. That is the former CS for Agriculture, CS Peter Munya, and the former CS for Agriculture also, that is Peter Lintori, Mithika Lintori. So, yesterday, the newly sworn in Meru Governor Isaac Mutuma urged President William Ruto to include former Cabinet Secretaries Mithika Lintori and Peter Munya in his broad-based government. In response, the head of state who went visited Meru County said he had already started conversations with the two leaders, hinting at offering them state jobs. Munya served as Agriculture CS during Uhuru Kenyatta's tenure, while Lintori succeeded him before being dismissed by Ruto in 2024. President William Ruto has revealed plans to bring back Mithika Lintori and Peter Munya, both former Agriculture Cabinet Secretaries, into the government. While speaking in Maua on Wednesday, April 2nd, Ruto said he has been in talks with political leaders Munya and Mithika Lintori and confirmed plans to have them work in the Kenya Kwanza government. I have been in discussions with these two political leaders. We already have a plan in motion. Just relax. Everything is fine. Are we together? Ruto said. Ruto was responding to a request from Meru's new governor Isaac Mutuma, who had urged him to involve the two leaders in his broad-based government. We have respected political leaders in Meru. The first is Peter Munya, and the other is your friend Franklin Mithika Lintori. In your inclusive government, which includes all leaders in the country, let Lintori and Munya also be part of it. The newly sworn-in governor of Meru urged the president. The governor further urged that end of state to finalize key government projects that are yet to be completed in Meru. There is a project by former Governor Kiraito Muronge to build a cancer research center worth 1.9 billion, and we know the president is the only one who can ensure the funds come to Meru to help with the hospital's construction, he said. So, Lintori's tenure as Agriculture CS was marked by controversies, including the fake fertilizer scandal, where farmers across the country complained about receiving substandard fertilizer. The scandal nearly ended Lintori's tenure as Agriculture CS after Vumula, member of parliament, tabled an impeachment motion against him. However, he breathed a sign of relief after MPs voted against his removal from office following a harmonious period. This came after National Assembly Speaker Moses Wetangula approved a motion to impeach him, leading to the formation of an 11-member committee tasked with investigating the sale of counterfeit fertilizers to affected farmers nationwide. After the investigation, only 4 of the 11 MPs of the committee voted in favor of Lintori's removal from office. Speaker Wetangula announced the immediate dissolution of the committee after the investigation concluded. However, Lintori's relief was short-lived as he was fired by President William Ruto when the president dissolved his entire cabinet on July 12, 2024 following Gen Z protests. Lintori was among the cabinet secretaries who were not instituted in Ruto's cabinet. So, the president yesterday, we all know that in Meru, if you want to succeed politically, you must have these key political figures in your government or in where you are. So, president has known that, and he will keep on bringing them to his government. No matter what, president will not throw away Mithika Lintori and former CS Peter Munya under the coach, because he knows he really needs them, and he will continue to push to, he can even make them ambassadors, he will make them ministers, he can, maybe it's a win again for Mithika Linturi and Munya. We can say that. We all know that these two gentlemen, it's like petrol and water. They cannot be kept together. But we all say that in time, political interests align. So maybe Munya will drop the ego, maybe Linturi will drop, because I know he feels betrayed. So maybe he will come back to the president and they will work back together again. So what do you think, guys? Leave a comment on the comment section, share our videos, comment, subscribe, and let's meet in our next videos. Thank you.